A very good afternoon, students. Today we start our new session with new topic of chapter 5, file handling. Today's topic is closing files and reading files. Today's topic is closing files and reading files. Before this, we seen how can we open file, means in the previous video we seen how can we open files, how file object is used for opening the file in the read mode, in the write mode, or in the append mode. So all these things we seen. Now we will see how we can close the files and how can we read the data from the file in this video. An open file is closed by calling the close method of its file object. Okay, you know very well that if you want to open any file, you have to use the open function. You have to use the open function. In that, you must pass two parameters. One parameter for the file name. In that, you specify the path with the file name, and second parameter is the mode, means in which mode you want to open the file. Okay, so close is a method of a file object. जब हम फाइल ओपन करते हैं, so whatever reference is created, that will be linked with the file object. Okay, so whenever you want to close the file, you have to call the close method of its file object. हमें क्या यूज़ करना है? Close method यूज़ करना है with the file object. A close function breaks the link of file object and the file on the disk. Okay, whenever we are creating or whenever we are opening a file, we are passing the reference to the reference of the file to the file object, means it will create the link in between the file object and the file on the disk. Is it clear? Open method से क्या होता है? Open method will create the link in between the file object and the file on the disk. So we have to break. अगर आपको प्रोग्राम स्टॉप करना है, एग्जीक्यूशन स्टॉप करना है, if you have completed all the manipulation task on the file and you want to close the file, then what you will do? You will call the close method with the file object. So close method क्या करेगा? It will break the link of the file object and file on the disk. जो connectivity बनी हुई है file object में and file which is stored on the disk will be break by using the close function or close method. After close, no task can be performed on that file through file object. Okay, when you call the closed method, means what? That file is closed. Means what? The link in between the file object and the file on the disk will be break. फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट और फाइल जो है आपके डिस्क पे स्टोर है, उसमें उसका जो लिंक है, उसका जो रिलेशनशिप है, वो क्या हो गया है? डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है. सो यू कांट परफॉर्म एनी न्यू टास्क ऑन दैट फाइल. ओके, एक बार आपने क्लोज मेथड कॉल कर दिया, उसके बाद आप कोई टास्क परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते हो बाय यूजिंग दैट फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ वी विल सी द सिंटैक्स ऑफ क्लोज. File handle dot close. You know very well that file object is also called as the file handle. File handle is nothing but the file object. Okay, instead of file object I typed here file handle dot close. So whenever you want to call the close function, you have to use that close function, close method with the file object, with the file handle. Clear? So file handle dot close is the syntax of the close method. So here example is given: f equals to open, inside the opening and closing parenthesis data.txt, comma, inside the opening and closing parenthesis double quotation mark r. Okay, so now f is the file object. Okay, file is opened data.txt in the read mode and the reference will be forward to the file object f. F is the file object, f is the file handle. Now by using this open function we open the data.txt file for reading purpose. Now I want to close this data.txt file. So what I will do, what I said, f is the file object, data.txt is the name of the file. So open function will make the connectivity, will send the reference of the file to the file object. तो अगर मुझे अभी फाइल को क्लोज करना है, so what I will do, I will write f in the above example data.txt is opened via file handle f. It can be closed by the following statement. So I will write there f dot close. F is the file object, file handle. So I typed here f dot close. So by writing this statement, it will break the link in between the file handle and the file which is stored on the disk. So in this way you can close your file. Now there is one note, open is built-in function. Open क्या है? It's a built-in function while close is a method used with file object. अब आपने इस in this slide only one example is shown here, f equals to open data.txt comma r. अब ओपन ये जो बिल्ट इन फंक्शन है उसके साथ हमें कोई फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है, बट व्हेन यू वांट टू कॉल द क्लोज मेथड यू हैव टू यूज़ विद द फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर आपको क्लोज मेथड का यूज़ करना है, आपको उसे कॉल करना है, तो यू हैव टू यूज़ इट विद द फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो आई थिंक यू ऑल understand the use of the close method. Close method is used to break the link of the file object or file handle and the file on the disk, and you can't perform any task on that file through the file object or file handle. Now we will see some reading from files. Now we see R mode. R mode is for the read only mode. Now we will see some reading from files. If you want to read the data from the file, how can we read? Okay, so now we will see that Python provides mainly 3 types of read functions to read from a data file. Okay, Python provides how many types of read functions? 3 types of read functions. Okay, by using these read functions we can read from data file whatever file contains information. जो भी फाइल में इंफॉर्मेशन है उसे अगर आपको रीड करना है, so you can use these read functions. Okay, so but before you can read from a file, the file must be opened and linked via file object. अगर आपको read function का यूज़ करना है for reading the file, so first of all you have to open the file by using the open method, and that file is linked with the file object. Now we will see the types of the read method. Read line, read lines. Okay, see, each and every method is having opening and closing parenthesis itself. Okay, read line and read lines are the name of the methods which is used for performing reading functions, or which is used to perform reading from a data file. Now we will see one by one. First is the read. So first we will see the syntax. File handle dot read inside the opening and closing parenthesis n. Okay, file handle, whatever file object you will create, with that file object you will call the read method or read function. Now read function reads at most n bytes. Read inside the opening parenthesis, n is written there, so n is used for the bytes. It will read the number of bytes specified inside the read method or function. Read मेथड में आप जो भी नंबर्स स्पेसिफाई करोगे उतने बाइट्स रीड मेथड रीड करेगा, अदरवाइज इट विल रीड एंटायर file. Returns the read bytes in the form of string. Whenever you are calling the read function for reading the file, then it will return the read bytes in the form of string. कौन से फॉर्म में रिटर्न करेगा? जो भी बाइट्स वो रीड करने वाला है, इट विल रिटर्न इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. रिमेंबर इट. When you use the read function for reading purpose of the file, okay, so it will return the read bytes in the form of string. Bytes read into string type. Bytes read into string types. Now we will see one example. File1 equals to open. Inside the opening and closing parenthesis e:/mydata/info.txt. Now info.txt is a file which is stored inside the MyData folder, which is inside the E drive. It will open the file info.txt and it will link the info.txt file which is stored on the disk with the file1 object as I told you in the previous video. Okay, now file1 is the name of the file object or file handle. Okay, so whatever task we want to perform on the file, we will perform that task using the file object or file handle. Now in the next Python prompt, read info equals to file1 dot read inside the opening and closing parenthesis 15. So read info is the one type of the variable. File1, as you know that file1 is the file object or file handle. Okay, file object is also called as the file handle. You can say file object or you can say file handle. Read is the method by using which we can read the data from the file. Now I typed here 15. Okay, so it will read 15 bytes. What this read method will do? It will read 15 bytes from the file. So whatever it will read, okay, that will be stored into the read info. Whatever it will read means 15 bytes will be stored into the read info. Now I want to see the data which is stored into the read info. So how can I see it? By using the print function. We know very well that print function is used to display the contents of the variable. Is it? वेरिएबल में जो भी वैल्यू स्टोर्ड है, जो भी डेटा, जो भी स्ट्रिंग, जो भी टेक्स्ट स्टोर्ड रहता है, उसे अगर हमें देखना है तो वी कैन सी बाय यूजिंग द प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट. सो नाउ प्रिंट इनसाइड द ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग पैरेंथेसिस रीड इन्फो. So now read info is having 15 bytes which is read by the read method of which file? Of the info.txt file. Okay, file1 के पास file1 is having the link to the file info.txt. Okay, so now what it will print? We will see that it's time to, actually it is a work. Okay, but what I written there? 15. So it will read only 15 bytes. You can count now. It's is having 4 I1 T2 apostrophe S 3 4. Okay, it will also count space 5 6 T 7 I 8 M E 9 space 10 11 T 12 O 13 space 14 W 15 O. Is it? So it reads how many bytes? It will read 15 bytes, means it will read 15 characters. It will include only blank spaces. अगर characters के बीच में अगर blank space है तो वो उसे भी include करेगा. Okay, so now I want to see type of the read info. As I told you, when you are reading the data from the file by using the read method, whenever you are reading the data of the file by using the read method, it will return the रीड बाइट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. ओके, जब हम रीड मेथड से फाइल के कंटेंट्स रीड कर रहे हैं तो वॉट एवर रिटर्न बाय द रीड मेथड, जो भी रीड मेथड रिटर्न कर रहा है दैट विल बी रिटर्न इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग. सो नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू सी द टाइप ऑफ द which type of data that read method return. So how can I see this? By using the type method. So I typed here type read info, so it will display here str. Str means string type. Str means string type. Now you all know very well that read method is used to read number of bytes specified inside the opening and closing parenthesis, and if you not mention any number there, so it will read the entire file and it will return in the form of the string. Okay, now we will move to the next method, that is the read line. Read line, as name indicates, it will read the entire single line. Okay, so first we will see the syntax of the read line. File object dot read line inside the opening and closing parenthesis n. Okay, so now read a line of input. If n is specified, read at most n bytes. Read a line of input मतलब जितने भी लाइन्स है, अगर आप रीड लाइन में कोई नंबर स्पेसिफाई करते हो, सो इट विल रीड दैट पर्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स. इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ एंड इट विल रिटर्न्स द रीड बाइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग एंडिंग विथ लाइन. इट ऑल्सो रिटर्न इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग. सो नाउ we will see the example of this. See, again I am telling you, read is used to read the specific number of characters. If you not mentioned any number inside the read, it will read the entire file. Now read line is used for reading a line, number of lines. If you want to read 4 lines, if you want to read 5 lines, so you will mention their number of lines, so it will read the number of lines and it will return in the form of the string. Okay, now we will see the example of this. Same, we will go with the same example. File1 equals to open info.text. File1 is the file object or file handle. Read info equals to file1 dot read line. Now see, here I not mentioned any number inside the read line method. Here I not mentioned any number inside the read line method. It's a blank. Means what? It will read complete one line. It will read complete one line. Okay, file1 dot read line. As I told you, read info will contain complete one line now. Okay, because read line will read complete one line, so it will forward, it will whatever line read by the read line method will be passed to the read info variable. So I want to print now read info. So what it will contain now? It will contain complete one line. So that is, it's time to work with files. Okay, this is the first line of my file of info text file. Okay, so read line method is used to entire line. Okay, now we will see read lines. So read lines means what? It will read all lines of the file. If file contains 20 lines, so it will read all 20 lines. If file is having 50 lines, so it will read complete 50 lines. Okay, so we will see the syntax. File object dot read lines. Okay, file object dot read lines. Okay, as I told you, it will read all lines. Okay, read all lines and returns them in a list. Previously we seen read and read line. Okay, read and read line both returns in the form of string. Read and read line both returns data in the form of string, but read lines will return in a form of list. किस फॉर्म में रिटर्न करेगा? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिस्ट. ओके, दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. ओके, रीड एंड रीड लाइन स्ट्रिंग, but read lines list. Okay, now we will see the example. Again we will go with the same example. Info.txt is our file which is having the file handle file1. You know very well that file handle or file object is having the file reference. ठीक है, फाइल वन जो हमारा फाइल हैंडल है या फिर फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट है, इट इज़ हैविंग द फाइल रेफरेंस ऑफ विच फाइल? इट इज़ हैविंग द फाइल रेफरेंस ऑफ info.txt फाइल. So read info equals to file1.readlines. What it will do? It will read entire lines. It will read all lines of the file. Okay, so print read info, it will read it will print all lines. Okay, so these are the lines which info.txt is having. It's time to work with files /n means what? New line will start. Files offer an edge and power to store your information for later use. /n means new line. Simply create file and store in it /n. ठीक है, means my file is having how many lines? My file is having 3 lines only. Okay, /n is separated that lines. Okay, so now I want to see what is the type of the read info now. As I told you, read lines will return in the form of list, but now I want to check whether it is a list or whether it is a string. So I will check it by using the type. So type read info. So it will return here list. Because its return type is list. So in today's session we learn how can we close the file by using the close method. Okay, close method must be used with the file handle object. Close method हम हमेशा किसके साथ यूज़ करेंगे? फाइल हैंडल ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ. आफ्टर दैट वी सीन सम रीडिंग फ्रॉम फाइल्स मेथड्स as Python provides only 3 methods. Okay, read, read line, read lines. Read method is used for reading the number of bytes specified inside the parenthesis of the read method and returns in the form of the string. Read line reads the entire line if number is not specified inside the read line parenthesis. Okay, it also written in the form of the string. And at last we seen read lines. Read lines read all lines of the files and returns the result in the form of list. Okay, so today's session over. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.